All right, number 11, the function f of x equals 2 times 2 to the x power was replaced with f of x plus k, resulting in the function graph below. What is the value of k? All right, well, if we look at our function f of x equals 2 parentheses 2 to the x power, that's not what's being graphed. It says it was replaced. So I think it would be very nice to know what that function, maybe an ordered pair that's on that function, so we can compare it to the resulting function that we see graphed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a table. So 2 times 2 to the x power, and x and y, and it looks like the y-intercept is right around -3, so that's my resulting. I want to see what it is from the original function. So to find the y-intercept, all we need to do is let x be 0, so 2 times 2 to the 0 power, and I'm going to do order of operations first. So 2 to the 0 power, we do exponents first, so 2 to the 0 power is 1, and then I'm going to do 2 times 1, which gives us 2. So y is 2. So originally, that function had a y-intercept of 2, and as you can see, all that happened was a shift down, just like this guy going down the ladder. So he went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So all I'm doing is counting down. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces down. So the value of k is, since it's down 5, think of how the y works. If it's down 5, that would be a -5. Up 5 would have represented a +5. So that would just be a -5. Number 12, suppose that the function f of x equals 2x plus 12 represents the cost to rent x movies a month from an internet movie club. Michaela now has $10. How many more dollars does Michaela need to rent 7 movies next month? So the question is wanting to know how many more dollars. So we're looking for cost, and it says that that function represents the cost. So in other words, our f of x, or our y, represents cost in dollars, and our x, it told us, was the number of movies a month. So the number of movies. Oh, and there are a couple of my favorite movies. So Michaela, let's think. She already has $10. So we want to see how much more she needs. Well, why don't we go ahead and plug in what they gave us? They said 7 movies is what she needs to rent. So I'm going to plug in, so y equals 2, and I know that's 7 movies. The x stands for the number of movies, so I'm going to plug in the 7 to that function, and I'm just going to multiply it and get 14 plus 12, and y is going to be 26. $26, because remember, y stands for my total cost, so that's a dollar amount. Now here's the thing, she already has $10. So I'm going to, you guessed it, we're going to subtract that $10, and that's going to be how much more that she needs to get. So 26 minus 10, Michaela still needs $16. And then she will have enough.